Just finished this fence in Powerhouse Road, and it's a 500-foot dog fence, 55 inches high, 9-foot 3/4 and 12-foot rails, as that's what they had, and ties into the house. And then goes, it circles the house. I'll take you around. Here's the side entrance. I tied it into the fence and into the house with this 2x4. Pressure treated. This is a 6-foot gate. And you can see where I've tied it in here and here. 3 screws into the house under the eaves, should be fine. And then from the back fence, we had this ugly, well, this rock wall from the olden days. You can see the boundary pin through there, but we brought the fence back this way a little bit so that the area behind the fence could be accessed to keep it clear. Otherwise the brambles and the blackberry just grow through. And then down here to a little old woodshed that's probably going to be demolished, so I put an access gate for that behind area and built a fence down the side of it to the property, to the neighbor's fence. And then there was an existing fence, and my fence continues. I have a nice feature here, which I like. I just added it in because the house behind the camera looks onto this expansive fence. So right where they can see in their view, I put this nice feature. I like it. You can actually, makes it a little easier if the kids are going to climb over it, they should climb there. And then we discussed quite a few times, I really wanted to include the maple. These are the in-laws next door, parents, and I really wanted to include the kids' maple tree and the swing and the zip line inside. And then it comes back up the side. And 10-foot gate for vehicle access. Usually I put another post in to support the gate, but it was so rocky here and the ground was so hard, I left it off because it's easier to mow. I would have put one in if it needed it. And then back to the beginning. And here you can see I brought my chop saw and I just made some little corner features. And back to the 6-foot access to the house along this pathway. And I think it makes a nice entrance. There we go. Another one done.